Hello everyone, and welcome to Daily Fix Guide. In today's video, I'm going to guide you through a method to delete all of your TikTok reposts at once using a browser extension. So it's a very easy process. So before we start, it's very important to talk about what we are using. This method requires a third-party browser extension, which is not an official tool made by TikTok. While it can get the job done, you should always be cautious when installing extensions and use them at your own risk. This process only works on a desktop or laptop using a browser that supports Chrome extensions like Google Chrome or Brave, and it will not work on any type of mobile app. So now let's get started. First, open your Google Chrome browser. Open TikTok in one tab and then open a new tab. In the new tab, search for Remove TikTok Reposts, which you can see right over here. And then open the first option, and then simply add this particular extension to your Chrome. Click on this option, and then click on Add Extension. Now, wait a few seconds till the extension is added to your Chrome. Now, once that is added, you can directly pin the extension by choosing this option. Now go back to your TikTok, refresh the TikTok page, and then go to your profile. On your profile page, you should be able to see an option called Reposts. Click on that. Now, once you're on the Reposts page, which you can see right over here, simply click on the extensions icon at the very top or the repost icon right over here. Now, wait for a few seconds and a small menu will pop up in front of you. Make sure that you do not refresh or switch tabs while you're doing this process. The time it takes will depend on the number of reposts on your account, so keep that in mind. Now, simply click on Start Removing Reposts. Then it will automatically open all the reposts and remove them one by one. Just wait for a few seconds as it will continue the process. And as you can see, within a few minutes, and as you can see right over here, the reposts have started to be removed. And as you can see, the reposts have been removed. Wait for a few more seconds, and the page will automatically refresh, and the reposts section will automatically be gone as all of the reposts have been removed. So that's it. Now you know how to use a browser extension to clear all of your TikTok reposts automatically. So I hope you found this guide helpful. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more helpful videos. So thank you for watching, and take care.